Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have swatches of ORLY's spring collection that is called Radical Optimism. There are 6 nice polishes in this collection and I will show you live application of all of them. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So the first polish is Lovella, and this is a cream nude. So this one covers pretty well on the first coat. I did not have any issues with the application of this nail polish. The formula is very good, easy to work with. So here in this video I applied 2 coats, but for my swatch picture I did 3 just in case. But I bet you will be able to wear this one with only 2 coats. So the next one is Everything's Peachy, and this is a light peach cream shade. For this I actually did 3 coats. I feel like with 2 I still had some patches, so I needed to even them out, but you know, I'm a picky girl, so most of the people would probably be okay with 2 coats. This color is very bright and very spring appropriate. I feel like in previous collection ORLY had some peach shades, but even though I did enjoy this one. So the next one is Positive Coral-ation, and this is a brick coral shade. For this one I also did 3 coats, but I believe it didn't need that 3rd coat. I was just being picky again. The formula is very good, as in all of the shades in this collection. ORLY is pretty consistent with their formula, so this does not surprise me. To be honest, this color is pretty original for me because it is bright, but at the same time it is a bit dark-ish, but still springy. So I think that there is not a lot of shades like this one, and I think that it will look amazing on tan skin. Next one is Coming Up Roses, and this is a warm dusty pink shade. For me, there are never enough pinks, so I am happy that this one is in this collection. And for this one I needed 2 coats for full opacity. The formula was also very nice on this one and I had no complaints whatsoever. The next one is Spirit Junkie, and this is a dusty lilac shade with purple shimmer. So for some reason I have only 1 coat of this one recorded, but I needed 2 coats to cover my nail completely. The purple shimmer is not very visible on the nail. I would like it to stand out a bit more, to be honest. On some angles you will be able to see it, but in general this just looks like a cream polish to me. But still the color is very nice. But to be honest, on my skin tone it is not very flattering. I think that it is because it is pretty cold and a bit dusty, so that type of shades will look better either on darker skin tone, maybe not on someone that is as pale as I am. And last but not least, we have Glass Half Full, and this is a bright blue with blue shimmer in it. As with the previous one, the shimmer does not stand out on the nail. It is pretty much invisible, but the color itself is very pretty. This is the one that I actually enjoyed the most from this collection, and when I was wearing it, I got a lot of compliments about this nail polish and this color, so it is always a good thing to hear some good words. 2 coats for full opacity for this one, and I think that this nail polish has the best coverage from all of the 6. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and this collection. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!